A dependable car starter can make all the difference during emergencies. The best lithium jump starter combines portability, powerful performance, and built-in safety protections. In this video, we'll cover the top options to ensure you're always ready when your vehicle needs a boost. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. NOCO Boost Lithium Starter. The NOCO Boost Lithium Starter is a powerhouse designed to provide reliable performance in critical moments. With a peak output of 30,000 amps, this jump starter can instantly bring dead batteries back to life, handling engines up to 9.0 liters gas and 7.0 liters diesel. Capable of delivering up to 80 starts on a single charge, it is an excellent choice for those who need dependability on the road. What sets this unit apart is its ultra-safe technology, which incorporates patented spark-proof and reverse polarity protection. This ensures worry-free connections, allowing even less experienced users to connect the device without fear of sparks or damaging the vehicle. Beyond jump-starting, the NOCO Boost doubles as a portable power bank. It can recharge smartphones, tablets, and other devices in emergencies, making it a versatile companion for road trips or roadside situations. Its integrated 500-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes, including SOS and strobe, provides illumination for nighttime repairs or signaling in emergencies. Despite its impressive power, the unit maintains a compact 7.5-pound form factor, making it easy to store in glove boxes or emergency kits. Durability is another strong point, as the rugged IP65-rated housing resists water, dust, and impacts, while the rubberized overmolding protects against drops and wear. The package includes heavy-duty clamps, a USB-C charging cable, and everything needed to stay prepared. Recharging takes about 7 hours, ensuring it is ready when needed most. For anyone looking for a combination of power, safety, and portability, the NOCO Boost Lithium Starter is a top-tier option. Number 2. NOCO Boost X Lithium Starter. The NOCO Boost X Lithium Starter takes performance to the next level, offering 2,500 amps of power in a compact yet extremely capable design. This unit is built to handle gas engines up to 8.5 liters and diesel engines up to 6.5 liters, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of vehicles. Unlike many traditional jump starters, the Boost X incorporates cutting-edge, ultra-safe 2.0 technology, enhancing spark-proof protection, reverse polarity safeguards, and improved thermal efficiency. This ensures safe and reliable use while extending battery life. One of its standout features is its ability to recharge in just 1.8 hours via USB-C power delivery. Even from a completely drained state, the unit can gain enough charge for a jump start in as little as 5 minutes, offering unmatched convenience for those who don't have time to wait. Its integrated 60-second timer helps conserve power by ensuring energy is directed precisely where it's needed, delivering up to 12 jump starts per charge. The Boost X is also an excellent portable power source. Equipped with 60-watt USB-C output, it can charge smartphones, tablets, laptops, and more with ease. This dual-direction charging allows the device to serve as both a power bank and a jump starter, maximizing its usefulness. Number 3. NOCO Air AX65 Lithium Starter. The NOCO Air AX65 Lithium Starter is more than just a jump starter. It's a complete roadside companion designed for ultimate independence. Delivering 2,000 amps of peak power, it can safely start dead batteries on gas engines up to 8.0 liters and diesel engines up to 6.0 liters. Featuring ultra-safe 2.0 technology, it offers advanced spark-proof and reverse polarity protection, ensuring worry-free operation. What makes this unit unique is its integration of a powerful air inflator. With the ability to deliver 67 liters per minute, it can inflate a flat tire from 0 to 40 psi in just 2 minutes, or top off a low tire in seconds. The smart digital display allows users to set precise pressures from 15 to 100 psi, with automatic shutoff for accuracy. This feature makes the AX65 especially useful for drivers who travel long distances or in remote areas where tire pressure issues can be common. Beyond starting vehicles and inflating tires, the AX65 functions as a 60-watt USB-C power bank, capable of charging phones, tablets, and other devices efficiently. The lithium battery allows multiple tire inflations or up to 20 top-offs per charge, and recharging the unit itself takes less than an hour with USB-C input. Number 4. GOOLOO GP4000 Lithium Starter. The GOOLOO GP4000 Lithium Starter is a high-powered jump starter designed for drivers who want strength and reliability in one package. With 4,000 amps of peak current, it can start all gasoline engines and diesel engines up to 10.0 liters, making it suitable for a wide variety of vehicles, from cars and trucks to tractors, RVs, and even yachts. Even when the vehicle battery is extremely low, the boost button ensures a strong, forceful restart within seconds. This makes the GP4000 an essential tool for emergencies, especially in remote or cold weather conditions. Beyond its impressive jump-starting capability, the GP4000 doubles as a massive portable power bank. With dual USB outputs, including a fast charging port and a USB-C input-output, it can efficiently power smartphones, tablets, cameras, and other portable devices. This adds to its versatility, ensuring it's not just for emergencies, but also for everyday convenience. With a full charge, it can jumpstart vehicles over 60 times, giving drivers the confidence that it won't fail when needed most. Safety is a key feature of the GP4000, as it includes 10 layers of protection against sparks, short circuits, and other misuse risks. The smart jumper cables are equipped with durable, all-metal clamps designed to withstand long-term use without damage. Compact and portable, the GP4000 can easily be stored in a trunk or toolbox, yet its rugged build ensures durability for years of service. Number 5. GOOLOO GP3000 Lithium Starter. The GOOLOO GP3000 Lithium Starter is a compact yet powerful solution for drivers who need reliable performance in all conditions. With a peak power of 3,000 amps, it can handle gas engines up to 9.0 liters and diesel engines up to 7.0 liters, covering nearly all types of 12V vehicles, including cars, trucks, RVs, and boats. Even at temperatures as low as -4 degrees F, the GP3000 delivers reliable starts thanks to its boost mode, which activates instantly for dead batteries or when voltage drops below 9V. Compared to standard 2000A jump starters, it provides 30% more power, making it highly effective for challenging situations. Safety is built into the design, with 10-layer protection technology guarding against overcurrent, overloads, short circuits, and incorrect connections. The spark-proof clamps and reverse polarity alerts make it safe to use, even for those with little experience. It's engineered to withstand extreme environments, ensuring peace of mind whether in freezing cold or hot conditions. Versatility is another strength of the GP3000. Acting as a 4-in-1 emergency device, it includes a USB-C port, Quick Charge 3.0 port, and standard USB outputs, allowing it to function as a fast power bank. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.